Hello and welcome to my channel. Are you looking for ways to make money online? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to talk about Raket.ph, a platform that allows you to buy and sell digital products. In this video, we'll show you how to register, what types of products you can sell, and some of the top selling digital products on the platform. We'll also cover how to get paid as a Raketer. So let's get started. First things first, you need to register for an account on Raket.ph. To do this, simply go to the website and click on the register button. Fill out the registration form with your name, email address, and password. Once you've completed the form, click on the register button to create your account. So what are the types of products can you sell on Raket.ph? The platform allows you to sell a wide range of digital products, including ebooks, printables, templates, and courses. You can also sell services such as graphic design, writing, and social media management. Now let's take a look at some of the top-selling digital products on Raket.ph. These include printables such as planners and worksheets, as well as templates such as social media graphics and presentation slides. Ebooks and courses are also popular, especially those related to business, marketing, and self-improvement. Now, let's talk about how to get paid as a Raketer. Raket.ph offers several payment options including PayPal, bank deposit, and GCash. To get paid, simply follow the steps. Number 1, make sure you have a verified account on Raket.ph. Number 2, set up your payment information, including your PayPal, email address, or bank account details. Number 3, once you've made the sale, Raket.ph will process the payment and transfer the funds to your account. Number 4, you can then withdraw the funds to your PayPal account, bank account, or GCash wallet. And that's it for today's video. We hope you learned how to make money online with Raket.ph, including how to register, what types of products you can sell, and how to get paid as a Raketer. Remember, Raket.ph is a platform for anyone looking to make money online, whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or a full-time employee. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for an account today and start selling your digital products. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on making money online.